Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to be using the Seasonal Day sticker book from Planything to decorate a spread. And I'm going to use the planner pages from Planything's new planner. This is one of the planners that Planything came out with. So I'll have the site linked down in the description if you want to check it out, because we got a nice planner. It's fun. I actually really love this size, because it's like right in between a mini and a classic from the Happy Planner, which is like kind of like a nice sweet spot when it comes to sizes. I think, is this, oh geez, I forgot what size it is, like the A5, somebody in the comments will let me know, I'm sure. But yeah, I'm going to use this planner to decorate a spread. And since we're in spring right now, I'm going to use one of the spring sections, and I really love these butterflies. I love a good butterfly spread. So this is going to be the section I'm using. Now I'm going to be using pages in July just because I'm doing some fun, like just decorating spreads. Sometimes I like to just decorate spreads because it's fun. I only have one planner that I really decorate. In the past, when I first started decorative planning, I had like 4 planners that I was decorating, so I had a lot of content for myself for my own planners. Now I'm doing like Patreon spreads or spreads for patrons, so I do have those that I get to like have fun and play with stickers, but sometimes I just want to, like, you know, use the stickers. So, and that's one of the great things about the decorative planning side of planning, is it's like a nice creative outlet, which I appreciate. So I'm going to do a spread. I'm actually going to, these are spreads that I'm going to give away. I like to do that too. I like to give them away to my patrons. So I'm actually going to grab the following week, because I did this spread. I did a nice like summery spread, so I can give that one away. And then I can give away this spread to a patron. Oh wait, these are the wrong dates. Oh my God. Did I grab the wrong dates? Oops. Oops. Hold on. Let me grab the right ones. The 22nd to the 23rd. Okay, so we'll do these dates, and we'll do butterflies because, you know, butterflies are cute and they can always be redated. All right, so we got butterflies, and then we have, I think there's boxes. We have boxes in here. Actually, I think I might grab another book from Planything. Okay, so I have some fun box stickers from Planything as well. So I'm going to use both of these because they have nice like pastel stickers, and I think it'll go well in this spread. And I think, if I can rip this out, yeah. Okay, I'm just going to rip that out because I only really need one page for this. And then we can just focus on the boxes. So let's see. I mean, I could really use any color because, yeah, there's like all these colors here that I can pick and choose from. I mean, I kind of lean towards pinks though, because pinks are easy to use. But I also want to use the solid ones. The solid ones are nice. And I could do like little embellishments. Actually, yeah. Let's do these. Ooh, that purple's pretty. Let's do purple. Okay, let's see how these fit, because I believe, oh yeah, these fit nicely in here. So you could totally put them in the box exactly, but I'm not. I'm more of like an go off out of the lines kind of person. So I'm just gonna stick in like in the middle like that. I like the overlapping this stuff. And then, actually, let me go back to this book. So there's circles in here. Let's pull this one. I like to mix the shapes together. Another fun thing you could do with these shaded ones, a lot of people do this, is they'll just do like little dashes, like a little outline. So I feel like sometimes it needs something, and this is one little nice trick that a lot of people do. So I've kind of adopted it too. Just adds a nice little embellishment that I think these shaded boxes need. And I love that. Okay, so let's add a butterfly. Let me grab a tweezer. We'll do this pink one. Just get some pink on the page. Add a cute little butterfly here. And then, of course, the little trail. One of my favorite details to do with like any kind of like flying Actually, not just flying animal, but even if you have like paper airplanes or like anything that's kind of like flying, just doing like a little embellishment like that on the page is always nice. Let's do a blue one. This blue one's really, I love the butterflies. I love the variety and I love the sizes and that, yeah, they're all different on here. That's important to me because I like to put different, I don't like to have the same thing, like the same exact thing on a page. See, just a couple butterflies on the page and there you go. Super cute. And then we'll add some boxes. Actually, let me grab, let's do some pink ones from here. These are shaded, so I can grab some shaded ones. Let's do this pink one here. Let's do this size down here. Oops. Maybe a small one too. Right here. I feel like a little goes a long way, which is nice. Again, I want to do those little, just the little dashes, super easy. I am not very artistic. I'm more of like a stick figure kind of drawing person. My sister is very artistic and I didn't get that. Actually, most of the people in my family are very artistic when it comes to drawing and painting and things like that. I'm not. I didn't get that. But I feel like I do have like a creative eye at least. When it comes to things, I just can't like draw things and do that kind of stuff. But that's okay. That's okay. I'm skilled in other ways. So yeah, I'm just gonna add some little dots, some bullet points, because bullet points are always a good idea. Oh, and then I can get some like quotes and stuff. Look how cute that is. Very functional, which is very nice. Even though it's kind of small, there's still like lots to put down, or that you can put down. I actually had to take a little break because I needed to eat. I was like, I should have eaten something before I did this, but I kind of got ahead of myself. Got a little excited to do this. All right, so I'm gonna grab another one of these boxes. Let's see which ones I have. I don't want to use the same big circle. I'm just gonna use this one. Do a little layering here. Oops. Again, the little dashes don't even have to be, honestly, I think like the imperfect way of doing this, like not exactly straight, looks better than if you took a ruler and did like perfect little lines. I think just freehanding it looks really nice. As you can see, again, not very artistic, but we're going with it. I want to add another butterfly. I think I'm going with like the purpley and pink ones, since this is kind of what this spread is looking like right now. So got a cute purple one. Just gonna stick it here. Do a little trail bit. Oops. Okay, perfect. You know what? Let me do another one, like a little pink one. I never do like two near each other. Let's do one there. Okay. Again, a little twirly bit going around the page. Okay, and then I could probably do one more over here. So I like to have an odd number, if I can. An odd number of butterflies on the spread. Actually, let me stick the butterfly down. I think I want to use this one. That's really pretty. They're all really pretty though. Okay, we'll stick this one over here. And I feel like butterflies can just carry the spread on their own. Like I could add in flowers, but honestly, I just like the simplicity of the butterflies on their own on the page. Because in the past, I used to be like florals, just a floral spread kind of person. And then it started getting to be a little too much for me. Like, actually not too much. It just started to feel like the same. And now I'm at the point where if I have florals, I have to have some other element with it if I want to do florals. Like, it can't just be florals unless it's tropical. For some reason, for me, tropical is like still like the vibe that I can do, where it's can carry the spread completely. But if I do a spring spread and I'm doing florals, I'm probably gonna throw in some butterflies. And this page right here is like perfect because it has so many different types of colors, and like you can really, as you can see, do a very cohesive spread with it, which I really, really appreciate. Oh, let me do the little dashes here. I should probably do another circle sticker, but not that big one because I don't want it to be matchy-matchy. I don't like matchy-matchy, but I could do this tiny baby one. You stick it there just so there's another circle on the page. Look how cute. Okay, so I did purple, purple, pink, pink. I like to make sure each like color element is on the same page, and looks like I'm pretty good. I might do another box, like another shaded box. Let's see, maybe I should do pink, I guess, just to break up this little area a little bit. Yeah, the little dashes really help to make the boxes pop better, in my opinion. Okay, see, that one's like all over the place, but still looks good. So we're good. I didn't use this one. I really like, honestly, Planything has kind of turned me over when it comes to shaded boxes. I was not a fan. The Happy Planner used to do shaded boxes all the time, and I never wanted to use them, but then Planything started using them or making them, and now I'm like, yeah, shaded boxes. They look good on the page now. Like, look how nice they look. I might add another box up here though, like a non-shaded one, because I feel like I need a non-shaded box in this like color. It's like purpley blue color. I'll do that up here. Now I need some, I don't have like headers and stuff from Planything, but I can grab another book and pull those in, and maybe some quotes. I have a couple of books that I pulled. There's purple elements in here that I might be able to, yeah, these are nice, but I don't know if these will fit. I have Dream, oh, these are just one sticker. Those two. Only have one header. I do have these. They're silver. I actually like silver foil, so I think I can add these around this spread. I'm not like a fan of foil, but I do like silver foil. Okay, we got to do, we'll do, oh, not to buy. I like just to do because it's just generic. Since it's a planner, to do kind of works for anything. And since I plan on giving this to somebody, so that totally works. I have Remember. Let's see if I can put this somewhere. And today, okay, got some of those on the page. Let's see in here if I have anything. Oh, and I could do washi maybe. I think that's probably a good idea. I don't think these colors are right though. No. I don't know if there's been like a purple book. I don't think there has been. But I'm gonna do some Planything washi. I've got a bunch of that at least here. Lots to choose from. I think I might just do a grid. Purple grid. Yep. We'll do this on the page. Just to kind of complete this. I'm gonna do some up here actually too. I always like forget about these top areas. So, and this has a nice area on the top to decorate. So do that there. And kind of the same idea on this page too. Fun. I don't know, I'm gonna put some in the middle too. Okay, yeah, some on the top. Yeah, washi really helps. I don't want to put like the whole thing. No, I think that's too much. Okay, we're gonna leave it like that, and that is going to be my spread. I think it turned out really cute. It's very like pastel-y and delicate and lovely butterflies. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching me create this spread. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.